It is time to meet this new flagship smartphone. Nubia is launching the brand new Flip 2 smartphone. After the successor of Nubia Flip, the Nubia Flip 2 is landing with the high-end specifications. What's up friends? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Smartphone will run with Android operating system. The smartphone is offering 128, 256, 512 GB of internal storage. There is a massive 6, 8 and 12 GB of RAM. The smartphone powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300X 4 nanometer with a 2.5 GHz octa-core CPU. It has a foldable OLED touchscreen display with an 80 plus resolution of 1188 by 2719 pixels. It offers 120 Hz of refresh rate with a bigger 6.9 inches screen size and cover display 3.3 inches OLED and resolution of 422 by 682 pixels. Smartphone is going to have a bigger 4300 mAh battery pack. It will have dual cameras. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide. On the front side, there will be a single 32 megapixel front snapper. That's all for now and thanks for watching.